Hi there, I'm Randy Rocket. I'm here to clean your pool. Oh, but we don't have a pool. Oh, really? Wamachika everyone, Uncle Joey Jojo. That was just a little bit of a taste of my after hours entertainment. I have for you guys and gals out there today, something that's called dry rot. Dry rot. Bit of a funny thing because rot usually is associated with being wet. Yes? Correct. Dun dun dun! Correcto mundo. Well, today we've got dry rot. Dry rot is bricks or masonry are very greedy, and what they do is they soak up as much moisture as they can. This is directly attached to the floor or ground, so what's happening is these joists right in this corner are resting hard up against this masonry here. So what ends up happening is if there's no gap in here and this is pressed hard up against it, the moisture from the brick seeps into the timber and the timber will slowly rot away. And as you can see here, that is not wet, although it's discolored, it's not wet. It is actually dry, and what happens is that dryness, but it's got the moisture attached from the brick, will seep into the timber and slowly pull apart the cell structure of the timber and make it more and more brittle, bit by bit, until it rots away, hence the dry rot. So next time you're thinking, I'm going to plant timber straight up against the wall because it's a dry area or it's inside, do not do it. You are cast out and into the pits of Hades, the fire pits of the building Hades, because we need to make sure that we're always going to prep our timber. So stick some Malfoy in, or put some bitumen paint or something along the lines of that, so we can make sure that we're not going to get dry rot into our timbers. Now this piece all along here is gone, that piece across there is gone, and this floor has actually got a bit of a hump throughout. Hump. A hump. I like my Joey humps. So what we're going to do is rip up the entire floor in here, believe it or not, and then we're going to replace everything in this area. Stay tuned and dun dun dun! Stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you soon.